How do you show a cornice made with the railing tool on ceiling plan when the cornice sits at 2500 mm? Method 1. Open the ceiling plan and adjust the view range so the top sits below the cornice level. I know, it sounds counterintuitive. It is, but it works, so remember it. Hit OK. That's method 1. Method 2. The underlay. Set the base level to level 1, the top level to unbounded, and the orientation to lookup. The result won't be perfect. Lines show in halftone, no fill, but sometimes that's exactly what you need. For more Revit and BIM tips, visit learn.bimcore.one. See you in the next one.